the early measures of China have been quite impactful. So you can see the results after a few weeks have been quite successful. And we can see over the past few months that there have been quite a lot of measures in place, a lot of prevention measures, a lot of safety and control measures, which have been quite successful. Some of them developed gradually, but became quite comprehensive over time. So the early preparedness, I would say, was quite useful. The early responsiveness from the government was also very effective. Development is always a big question because we don't know how. It's not easy to sustain an economic development as such, but I think China is doing quite well in terms of playing a big part as a global leader in terms of economic development, and also the relationships they have created through certain different mechanisms with other countries have been quite successful. And I think that's quite a positive approach that China has taken in the past few years.